Good morning, guys. I had a question this morning about Y-intercepts, and the question was directly related to quadratics and Y-intercepts. But I thought I would take an opportunity just to quickly go over Y-intercepts in general, because what's true about Y-intercepts for quadratics is true about all Y-intercepts. I don't care what kind of equation it is. So first of all, let's just talk about the definition of a Y-intercept. You've seen the coordinate plane system, the Cartesian plane system with a y-axis that goes vertically this way and the x-axis that goes horizontally that way. By definition, a y-intercept is where a line or a curve crosses the y-axis. So that would be the y-intercept right here. So a y-intercept is simply where a graph crosses the y-axis. And so if you think about that, I don't care what point you pick. Like this point is the point 0, 1. So the y-intercept is 1. This point is 0, 2. So the y-intercept is 2. So every point that you pick on the y-axis, notice that the x value is 0. So the fast way to find the y-intercept, let's say you're given a quadratic like this, if I want to know what is the y-intercept, all I have to do is put 0, substitute 0 in x's place and do the math. Well, 0 squared is 0, 0 times 2 is still 0, 3 times 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is still 0, 0 plus 5 is 5. So on this equation, the y-intercept is 5. As an ordered pair, it's the point 0, 5. On this one, what is the y-intercept? Well, I just put 0 in x's place and do the math. I end up with 0. So this problem has a y-intercept of 0, so it actually hits at 0, 0 at the origin. On this one, I put 0 in x's place there, and you probably notice pretty quickly the y-intercept is 0, 1. So if you put 0 in for x, what you get for y is the y-intercept, and as an ordered pair, it always is going to look like that. Look at them so far. 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, 1. What do you notice? Every x value is 0. So a y-intercept is located where when you put x into the problem as 0, you put 0 in x's place, no matter what the equation is. It's what you get for y. So here's an example of something that's not a quadratic. So the question is, what's the y-intercept? Well, if I put 0 in x's place, 0 times 5 is 0, and 0 plus 4 is 4. So even though this is not a quadratic, it's a line, it's a linear equation, the y-intercept still has an x value of 0. So 0, 4 is the y-intercept. I hope this helps a little bit. Bye.